Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Dinagsa at masayang-masaya ang mga 18 sa Japan sa pag-perform at concert ni Philip Sazon sa kanilang lugar. Ito nga ay talaga namang nag-chant ang ilang Pinoy fans at Japanese fans na 18 para kay Philip.
And of course, I won't forget, Sky High is here. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. And of course, Rico, my new friends. Thank you so much for coming. And of course, Warner Japan. Thank you so much. Warner Philippines. Thank you so much for supporting me. And of course, I won't forget, X thanks for coming here. My beautiful people, CJ, 18. Thank you so much for joining. 18 Japan. Thank you so much for being coming. And of course, my new Japanese fans right here at the front also. Thank you so much for coming. I love you guys so much. I didn't get so much about. Thank you so much for coming. And I learned so much Japanese words, you know that? You're just like, no! That's right.